students, the aim of this experiment is you are going to find out Joule's Joule's constant by calorimeter. For that, first of all we have to see what is J. Now Joule's equivalent of heat, it is a ratio of mechanical work or electrical work done to heat produced. That is J is equal to W by H. Now in this experiment we are going to pass some current through the coil. The coil will get heated, and due to that the coil will get heated and electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Now let us start the experiment. Now this is a see the first what is calorimeter. This is a Joule's calorimeter. This is a Joule's calorimeter. This is a Joule's calorimeter. Then this is a coil from which you are going to pass the current, and this is a stirrer. Calorimeter, coil and stirrer. Clear? This is called a Joule's calorimeter. This is a stirrer and this is a coil. Now this is kept inside this particular vessel so that no loss of heat should be there to the surrounding. Now your first observation is you have to take the mass of this calorimeter on the balance. तुम्ही भाजीवाल्यांकडे भाजी घेता तो जसा बॅलन्स असतो तसा बॅलन्सवरती ह्याचं पहिलं मास घ्यायचं. That will be in grams. Now in this mass you have to add the mass of stirrer also in grams. So your first observation is mass of calorimeter plus stirrer is your MC that you are going to find out. Next thing is you are going to keep this calorimeter inside this, and you have to take 100 ml of water in the measuring cylinder. 100 ml, I have kept 100 ml of water. Now I am going to pour this particular water inside the calorimeter, and then I am going to insert this particular coil in the calorimeter. So your next observation is mass of water in the calorimeter MW, that is 100 grams. Next thing is with the thermometer you have to record, with this thermometer you have to record initial temperature of water. Before passing the current, what was the temperature of water that you record. Just now I am getting the temperature around 29 degrees Celsius. So just now I have observed, so initial temperature of water you write it as θ1 equal to 29 degree Celsius. Next thing is you are going to pass some current through the coil. So for that now I am inserting the key, and I have adjusted the current to around 0.8 amperes with the rheostat. 0.8 ampere, and the voltage developed is 2 volt. 2.1. Is it clear? 2.1 volt and the current is 0.1. Now the range of ammeter is 0 to 5, least count is 0.1 ampere. Similarly, range of voltmeter is 0 to 5 and the least count is 0.1 volt. After getting the current adjusted, now I will explain you. So that basically the diagram is same as that of Ohm's law. So I will not explain it at start. First of all, preliminary observations you have to take, and the circuit is same as that in Ohm's law. Only unknown resistance is replaced by this calorimeter. Only that's the difference. Ammeter is placed in series, voltmeter is placed in parallel. Everything is one and the same. You have done the Ohm's law by VA method. So diagram is same, so these observations are important. So at this start I have not explained the diagram. So after doing all these observations, now what you are going to do, you are going to insert the key, and this is a digital stopwatch. You have to start the stopwatch. This is a digital form, and after every 5 minutes you have to record the temperature of water. See, this is a stopwatch. So I have keep it started here. Now your next observation table is current passed. You are going to write down current passed is 0.8 ampere. Current flowing in the circuit is 0.8 ampere. Voltage developed across this is 2.1 volt. Initial temperature is 29 degree, and these observations we have noted all this part first. Then I have explained you how to connect the circuit. Now see this observation. Temperature. Now what you are going to do? I have started the stopwatch, and after every 5 minutes you have to record the temperature of water. स्टॉपवॉचमध्ये बंद करायचं नाही, कंटिन्युअसली तुम्हाला अर्धा तास करंट पास करायचा आहे. सो आफ्टर एव्हरी 5 मिनिट्स यू हॅव टू रेकॉर्ड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वॉटर अँड you have to stir the water continuously like this so that water inside the calorimeter will get heated uniformly. So after every 5 minutes you record 5 मिनटं झाली, 300 सेकंद झाले की टेम्परेचर किती आहे नोट डाऊन करायचं, 600 900. So these readings I will be giving it to you. You just listen the procedure, start the stopwatch, and after every 5 minutes you record the temperature of water till it completes 30 minutes. Now next column is you are going to find out work done. Work done is what? Voltage into current into time in joules will be the first column. Third column, what? Voltage into current into time will be in joules. Are you getting it? Next is heat generated. Now heat generated is what? MCSC plus MWSW into theta 2 minus theta 1, where MC is the mass of calorimeter, SC is the specific heat of calorimeter, MW is mass of water taken, SW is specific heat of water. So you have to substitute MC into SC plus MW into SW into theta 2 minus theta 1. Theta 1 is constant, theta 2 is varying. So accordingly your heat generated you will be getting in this particular column. Now the sample calculation I will be putting it in your WhatsApp group. Just listen what I want to tell. What work done, you are going to find out voltage into current into time, means V into I into T will be this column. Heat generated will be mass of calorimeter into specific heat of calorimeter plus MW mass of water taken into SW, that is specific heat of water, into theta 2, that is final temperature minus initial temperature. Do these calculations in kilocalorie and then take the ratio of J is equal to W by H in joules per kilocalorie. Next, after doing all these observations, you are going to plot a graph of work done to heat produced. Whatever scale you are supposed to take, that we will be showing it in your WhatsApp group, and you have to get the slope of this graph. That slope should match with this particular value. ह्याचा मीन काढायचा. तर तुम्हाला मीन काढता येतं, सगळे ॲड करायचे, प्रेस इक्वल टू अँड देन डिवाइड बाय 6. जे काय ॲव्हरेज येईल त्याच्या ह्याचा स्लोप जवळपास आला पाहिजे. दॅट्स ऑल. In this way you are going to find out J, that is joules mechanical equivalent of heat. बस.